I am still sore. Like, yesterday I woke up and I felt miserable. Brother, it's me, your sister, and I want to talk to you about what I'm going to try and do during this quarantine. I told myself that I was not going to gain any weight. I was going to lose weight. So I had different things I was going to do. So Monday morning, I get like these little newsletters in my inbox at work. So I was reading one and it was talking about, with the quarantine, there's different things you can do to make sure you stay in shape. Like, yes, that's what I need. So I had a whole plan. I was going to work out every day. I was going to walk the pups for an hour every day. It was going to be great. And so their little workout routine, it sounded easy enough. It was just 3 sets of 20 squats, 15 push-ups, 10 reverse lunges on each side, a plank for 30 seconds, and 5 burpees. I did a little modification because I can't do all those things. I did that on Wednesday. I don't know what happened on Monday and Tuesday that I couldn't get to it, but I did it on Wednesday and I am still sore. Like, yesterday I woke up and I felt miserable. Like, I was sore all over. Like, I woke up and I immediately laid back down. It's like, ooh, everything hurt. Everything hurt. So I guess it is a good workout because things hurt that hadn't been used in a long time. But I couldn't do it every day. But I did for the most part. I walked the dogs every day. With the exception of Tuesday, I ended up working late. I'm working from home and I still ended up working late. And next thing I knew, it was raining. So I missed my window to take them for a walk. But they've gotten like probably on average a 50-minute walk 4 days this week, which is like unheard of. So I was really proud of myself for that. But yes, this quarantine workout that I found, man, it's a beast. But see, going back to the hair, like these little pieces, the little blonde pieces will not let my hair be great. Like, it's just little frizzies. Anyway. So yes, I'm gonna get back in shape, brother. Use this quarantine to my benefit. And tomorrow, Saturday, so I'm just gonna do a regular, I'm not even gonna mess with that quarantine workout. I'm gonna do a regular workout and get back into the swing of things. But brother, I do wanna point out, okay, so every time I go to the bathroom, because I'm trying to drink more water to keep things flushed out so like I don't get anything. And what I am doing, every time I go to the bathroom, I'm doing like these ab crunches. And I do these side abs. So like, at least my tummy may be flat. After these 2 to 3 weeks, I'll have a flat tummy. All right, brother. So I would ask you, what are you doing during this quarantine? But you overseas, you deployed. So thank you for your service, brother. Be safe. Everyone that's watching my little chats with my brother, I hope you guys are safe as well. Be safe, stay indoors. And if you need a laugh, check me out. Bye.